Reformed CBD Adventist, nasimba nagdomingo, Mark of the Beast, simba nagdomingo, dito sa, dagan kita sa Bakong, alam po diri sa loob, Domingo na, walay Sabado. Okay. Abot na deron, madod pa ni Pope Francis, because of diversity, nag-away ang mga Kristiyanos. Madod pa niya, nag-create siya usa ka grupo. Kaya nang itawag na URI, United Religious Initiative. Diyan ang headquarters na sa United Arab Emirates headquarters. Ang purpose is to ang sign ini si Al-Taib, ang Muslim, dito sa Apostolic Temple sa United Arab Emirates, na dito ang simbahan sa sinagog, because one of the signatory of Abrahamic Temple mo ang Jewish people. Unsay purpose sa maong katuyuan Abrahamic Temple in United Arab Emirates is to unify religion. Sanctioned by the United Nations, ang URI. So, unsa may matabo? Ana. So, gasugon na sila ron og dialogue. Gitawag nag-interpret dialogue. Diristuha, ang wala mo atendere, ang Seventh Adventist. Ingon si Francis, I have called for one religion instead of a plea for peace and non-violence. And peace kuno, peace, ang iyang ginatawag, non-violence, religion o yung target to unify. A call for Muslim, Catholic, and believers to unite, work together in order to serve as a guide to future generation to advance a culture of mutual respect and awareness of the great divine grace and make human being brothers and sisters. Matod pa ni po, ang religion is to make peace. Usa ka religion, kaya mag-away man. Muslim versus Christianity, mauna yung tapos Gaza ron, sa Gaza. So, muna yung purpose niya, the Jewish Declaration, titled, A Document on Human Fraternity, World Peace, and Living Together. Dili basta-basta and so on, kaya they're working now to unify religion. In fact, they are removing the deity of Christ in the long run. Okay, matod pa niya, why Sunday is being worshipped? Because the day of the Lord is Sunday, that Saturday, matod pa ni Pope Francis, is to unify Christianity. So, muna yung purpose ni Pope Francis. Then, ginagurahan na itong February. Then he calls for the world leaders to work to spread the culture of tolerance and living together in peace. So the declaration condemns all those practices that are threat to life, such as genocide, attack on Jerusalem, act of terrorism, forced displacement, kanang backward, human suffering, matod pa ni Pope Francis. Ngayon ang Pope mismo, why diversified ang Christianity? If the Catholic, if the Protestantism believe the truth of the Bible, they should believe the Bible and worship Saturday. Siya ngayon, nandili siya write-up, siya pronouncement. Kung ang mga evangelical churches, gatuo nga ang Biblia, the Sabbath day in the Bible is right. They should worship Saturday. Wa man. Kita naman ang nag-worship of Saturday, the Seventh Adventist. Wanilain. Naayos sa ang Jewish people. Duha na siguro kalibutan. Siguro natakalon sa mga 150,000 religion in this world. Believers in Seventh Adventist. So mag-isoon, matod pa niya, according to Protestantism, according to Pope Francis, nga, the Roman Catholic Church protests that is transferred Christian worship from the biblical Sabbath to Sunday. Mo niya, ingon siya, kinailan Osbon, biblical Sabbath to Sunday. and that to try to argue that the change was made in the Bible. No, ingon siya nga, the church is higher than the Bible. The doctrine of the church is higher than the Bible. Matupan in Pope Francis. Authority ang simbahan sa Katoliko regarding the worship of Sunday. Di na sila mo Bible ang kay na change man.